You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and we got LeBron 20s. Here we have another pair of Nike LeBron 20s. These are dubbed the Uninterrupteds, and they come in this black, coconut milk, and hyper royal colorway. Right here at the top of the tongue, you have that hyper royal tongue with a nice soft velvet touch to it. On the back of the tongue, you have that neoprene material for soft maximum comfort. And you have a LeBron signature on this velvet with 2 white X's stitched on as well to signify LeBron 20. He's on his 20th basketball signature shoe. Crazy. And right here on the tongue, you have this cream tongue right here. It's like a canvas material. You have cream laces, but it also does come with black laces if you wanted to switch them out. And you have leather overlays right here for the eye stays. And towards the bottom of the laces, it comes with the matte black XX ornament to signify LeBron 20. And the upper right here is not Nike Sphere, but it's just more of like a canvas material, very rugged, very durable. On the inside of the shoe, you have very polished black swoosh right here, stitched on, and then you have an uninterrupted logo. This uninterrupted logo is a logo from LeBron's show, Uninterrupted. Taking us to the side panel of the shoe, you have this translucent Nike swoosh that's stitched on with 2 blue X's to signify 20 as well. And it overlays another blue swoosh that has lettering on it. I think it says Speak. Taking us to the back of the shoe, you have this little metallic button right here that says Uninterrupted. And then at the back of the heel, you have more of that hyper blue, and it says Truth as well. Taking us to the midsole, you have this Cushlon midsole in this coconut milk colorway. Looks like cream, sail. And then you have the forefoot of the shoe is the lateral guardrail right here. And it also has some lettering. I think it says Uninterrupted as well. Taking us to the outsole, you have this translucent outsole with a multi-directional traction, carbon fiber plate in the middle of the shoe. Then you have a logo of LeBron dunking in this hyper blue. It also says Speak on the right shoe, and then on the left shoe, it says Truth. So speak your truth. And speak your truth might be the mantra for his show, Uninterrupted. It's a podcast style show where he brings on different guests to talk about current events, sports, politics, and he wants his guests to speak their truth unfiltered. He's had good guests on there like Draymond Green, Steve Stout, Jay-Z, just to name a few. Definitely suggest you guys check it out if you haven't seen it already. I really just like this colorway. After we reviewed the black and metallic gold colorway, I knew I had to pick up a pair of LeBron 20s because it's just a really good basketball shoe, a very good low top shoe. Goes good with shorts. It's something that I want to wear in the summertime. I saw this colorway online and I just really loved the hyper blue and how it paired well with this coconut milk, this cream midsole. It kind of reminded me of like an off-white. What would Virgil's take be on the LeBron 20? Kind of similar as far as color palette there. Of course, adding in that hyper blue. And you know we love basketball shoes over here, especially basketball shoes from the 90s, but I was thinking that this specific pair of LeBron 20s is a shoe that I didn't want to miss out on. These released on April 14th. I did get early members access on the Nike app on April 9th. Really liked the colorway, so I bought them. If you're interested in picking these up, make sure you check your local retailers. They might still have some in stock, or you can check online. I think resale is just hovering a little bit over retail, so don't got to worry about it too much. But as far as comfort goes, the LeBron 20 is one of the most comfortable basketball shoes I've tried on in a long time. That's why I wasn't hesitant to purchase these. I went a half size up. I went with a size 10. I definitely suggest you go a half size up as they do run a little short in the toe. You can definitely feel that Cushlon and that Zoom Air. It's just the best of both worlds. There's maximum comfort there. The neoprene tongue is a nice touch, and the softness around the ankle padding is awesome as well. Let us know how you guys feel about the LeBron 20 Uninterrupted. Do you like this colorway as much as I do, or do you prefer some of the other ones that the NBA players are wearing on court, like the Violet Frost or the red ones, the black ones? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. Let's go ahead and try these on.
This is C-Rock type beat for real. Come on. Yeah. I'm a chill guy to get along with, get on a song with, trying to bubble up like the water in the bong grips. The heart and soul of the team on some Draymond shit, strong shit, get game crazy, that fade long shit. Back in some newest sneakers, you know who the leaders. I might pull up in the 2-seater, bump and do a leaper. Send me 5 bands and I probably do your feature. Whoever hating on me probably watching from the bleachers, trying to pop up in the breeze or take a yacht off the marina. You bring a deal to me, don't you ever try to fleece us. I overanalyze shit, read the fine print, and I improvise when I do some things I haven't tried ride, yeah, I'm lit. No heat check, really I'm him. Grinding till the night shift, turn to the night swims. Catch a vibe quick on these C-Rock beats. And when I get on, then the whole squad goes.
If you enjoyed that review on the Nike LeBron 20 uninterrupted, make sure you check out our other LeBron reviews right here and hit that subscribe button.